Alright, let's consider another total value problem. Step 1, familiarize. Each course at Mount Regis College is worth either 3 or 4 credits. The members of the men's swim team are taking a total of 48 courses that are worth a total of 155 credits. How many 3 and how many 4 credit classes are being taken by the swim team? Okay, so we have some classes are 3 credits, some classes are 4 credits. We are taking a total of 48 classes for a total of 155 credits. Alright, so we are given the total number of classes, 48. We're given the total number of credits, is 155. We are asked to find that of these, how many the number of these are 4 credit classes, I'll call that F for 4, and also the number of 3 credit classes. And I will call that T for 3. Suppose that looks a bit like a Z. T. Okay. Similar to our original mixture problem, or excuse me, our original total value problem, we know that the number of classes is 48, and we know that that comes from the number of 4 credit classes and the number of 3 credit classes. Similarly, we have 155 total credits. Well, it's 4 credits for every 4 credit class, go figure, and 3 credits per each 3 credit class. This gives us our system, which we can now solve using either substitution or elimination. Let's use substitution this time. You're free to use elimination if you prefer. I will solve the first equation. Doesn't matter, I can solve it for F, or I can solve it for T. We can solve either for F or T. Neither is extremely strenuous, so let's just solve for F. F 48 minus T equals F. Okay. Next step in our substitution algorithm says put this in the other equation. So equation 2. Okay, what is F? F is 48 minus T. Carry out the distribution. 155 here. 192. 4 times 48 is 192. Subtract and 4t plus 3t. Minus 4t plus 3t leaves me with a negative t. I can subtract 192 from both sides. That will leave me with a negative 37 on the left and a negative t on the right. I can flip the sign on everything, as some of you pointed out, To which I say, well, that's the same thing as dividing by a -1 on both sides to get that t is 37. Next step in our algorithm says, okay, back substitute, find out what f is. In fact, I already have something solved for f. I have that f is equal to 48 minus t. So that would be 48 minus 37. That gives us that f must be 11. Okay. The next step is to check. Let's see that we haven't made any mistakes. We have that 48 must be equal to f plus t. That is a 3. T stands for 3. Well, we have 11 and 37, and of course we used this to solve in the first place. So yes, it is 48. The second equation said it was 155 must be equal to 4 times f plus 3 times t. Well, if f is 11 and t 37, this is 44, and 3 times 37 is 111. And yes, we find that is 155. Check. Step 5, answer the question. We say that the swim team are taking, what was 11 4-credit classes. And 37 3 credits.